Are you tired of dead zones in your home? Today we'll compare the best Wi-Fi extenders of 2025. They can boost your signal and eliminate those frustrating drops. Let's explore the top options step by step. First, we have the TP-Link RE650. This powerful device offers speeds up to 2600 Mbps. It's perfect for gaming and streaming. Next, consider the Netgear Nighthawk EX8000. It features tri-band technology for stable connections, ideal for households with multiple devices. Now, let's look at the Lynx's RE9000. This extender covers large homes effortlessly. It provides seamless roaming with its mesh technology. Our final choice is the Asus RP AC1900. With advanced security features, it protects your network. Plus, it offers easy setup and management. Evaluating these options can be overwhelming. Start by assessing your needs. Do you require extensive coverage or high speeds? Remember to consider your internet plan too. Next, read customer reviews for real-life insights. Once you've narrowed down your choices, compare prices. Finally, choose the extender that fits your lifestyle best. To summarize, the top Wi-Fi extenders are TP-Link RE650, Netgear Nighthawk EX8000, Lynx's RE9000, and Asus RP AC1900. Each device offers unique advantages for different scenarios. Boost your Wi-Fi experience today. Check out the links in the description for more details. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.